The Discover Secured Credit Card is a great option for building or rebuilding your credit. Here's how to use it effectively. Fund your security deposit. To get started, make a security deposit that serves as your credit limit. This deposit is refundable when you close your account in good standing. Make purchases. Use your Discover Secured Credit Card for everyday purchases like groceries, gas, or online shopping. Be sure not to exceed your credit limit, which is determined by your deposit. Pay your bill on time. Always pay at least the minimum payment on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. Setting up autopay through the app or website can help ensure timely payments. Monitor your spending. Check your spending and payments through the Discover app or website. It's important to maintain a low credit utilization to build good credit. Build credit. Use your secured card responsibly, as Discover reports your payment history to the credit bureaus. Over time, this will help improve your credit score. Upgrade to an unsecured card. After demonstrating responsible use, Discover may offer you the chance to upgrade to an unsecured credit card.